Trouble? Called Brunswick brightly. No, frowned Theodore.
This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. This now concludes this test.
Seabright. Well, there's nothing to be scared of in this harbor, smiled Theodore. Just then, a loud whistle blast nearly made Theodore burst a bumper. Seabright looked around and saw a tugboat with a big red hat blasting his whistle and racing towards him with a very serious look on his face. Seabright began backing up right out of the harbor again. Seabright, shouted Theodore.